I came back this year because I learned so much last year and utilized it in my classroom. I teach chemistry and I wanted to learn more.
Totally worth it. Probably the best professional development I've had in a very, very long time. I teach chemistry and I really wanted to see some real world examples or uses of chemistry, and I'm actually finding that there's a lot more jobs and future for my students that I can share with them and give them interesting things about where they can go.
In my classroom, an English teacher, we're reading a book called Chew on This. It's all about food, fast food, what goes into our food, and really thinking about the food that you eat. So I thought it was really relevant to kind of take the science and the technology and bring it back and show it to the kids.
The visual effect of being able to take a liquid, drop it into another liquid and have it change states is fantastic, and then being able to pick it up and play with it. So that's something I'm definitely going to go back and try to replicate in my classroom. That's what it's all about with education, is you want to be able to touch it, feel it, and make it fun.
They learn so much more by doing than by you talking to them.
Last week we were just talking about the effect of magnetic fields on charged particles, and then this week we show up here and voila, they're actually using it here in the lab. So it's a practical application I get to bring back to school.
A lot of the experiments they do are really interesting.
I think the sugar exercise that they do with what we talked about in the pop was really a great thing.
I would have to say my favorite part was the mixing to make the flavor of the Coke.
They don't really comprehend how much is in like a soda like that, so I think to visualize some of that stuff, really take it away, was really good.
I actually brought the mint experiment that we did at the beginning, where you put the mint in your mouth and pinch your nose, and the kids all love it. They all think it's hilarious.
I really enjoyed like the juicy fruit thing and just how like blending the different extracts and flavors and could turn into something else, and trying to mimic a certain item.
I like the ability to walk around and see the facility and kind of get a backdoor view of what goes into the industry.
It's a practical application that we can use in the classroom and to show students why we're teaching chemistry. That is the question I get all the time.
Everybody was very knowledgeable, very friendly, and I think it's really great that this company wants to educate other people.